Hey guys, it's Jill and welcome to another edition of Jilly Makes a Cake. So today we have these really delicious and really cute little Christmassy vanilla cupcakes, and what we're going to do is we're going to decorate them to look like these really super cute little reindeer for Christmas. It's really simple. So if you don't have your vanilla cupcakes already, check one of the links below or go to one of the other videos. These vanilla cupcakes are super moist and super delicious. And they're also quite small. They're not like these giant cupcakes, because not everybody wants to eat a huge cupcake with loads of buttercream. Some people just want a really simple, small, bite-sized piece. So I've also prepared some vanilla buttercream and I've added some cocoa powder to it. So if you haven't done that yet, hop onto one of the videos. It's very simple. It's just room temperature unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and some Toll House cocoa powder or whatever cocoa powder you have in the house. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to use these little twisted pretzels. For the nose, we're going to use these little cute red candies that you can buy online, or you could even use M&M. And we're also going to use our favourite little crunchy candy eyeballs. So let's get piping. It's going to be a very simple piping. Okay, so when you're making cupcake animals, we want it to kind of look realistic. So we need to actually make ice. We need to ice an actual head. So it's just a big bubble. Nice and simple. Just like that. Then we're going to add our antlers, which are going to be two really cool little pretzels. We're going to add our eyes. And we're going to add a nose. And that is how simple you can make a tiny reindeer cupcake. I'm going to decorate the rest of these. I hope you enjoyed your little decorating session. I know I did. Happy baking, and I'll see you soon. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.